Welcome to the second video of our Junior Coders Born Here. Today we are going to discuss about why coding and advantages of coding. Topic 2. Why coding? Coding improves creativity. That means coding helps kids come up with various new ideas that are unique and creative. Creativity is the key to coding. Various programs and formulae require creativity. Kids put their creative mind into an action at a very early age. Coding improves problem solving. That means problem solving is very crucial in everyone's life. One must be well prepared to solve every problem. Children should be problem solvers from an early age. Learning how to code gives them a chance to learn how to solve the problem themselves without any external help. Coding improves logical thinking. That means coding is not just a mechanical application of mind. Of course, it has formulae and steps, but there is logical thinking as well. There is some level of analytical thinking that must be done at each step. Functions need to be developed. All of this needs a very logical mind. Logical statements and expressions are a part of coding. Kids get to use their mind and achieve results by coding. Next, we move to topic 3, advantages of coding. By learning how to code, kids can develop interactive mobile games and stunning websites at an early age. Moreover, coding improves logical thinking and creativity of an individual. This helps them to achieve their results in an ample of time. Thank you for your constant support. To get more updates, please follow us on Instagram, and for more videos, please subscribe to our channel Junior Coders Born Here.